In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add net volume indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Before we jump in, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open. Any chart will work, whether it's stocks, crypto, forex, or futures. Having the chart open full screen will make it easier to see what we're doing. First, look towards the top of your TradingView chart for the indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add any technical tool you want. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse slowly along the top bar until Indicators appears and click there. Once the Indicators window is open, you'll see several categories and tabs. Now you want to click on the section labeled Technicals. This area focuses on built-in technical analysis tools created by TradingView. Clicking on Technicals helps filter out other things like community scripts or financials, so you can quickly get to the standard indicators you're used to working with. With the Technicals section open, you'll notice a search bar at the top of this window. Click into that search field and type net volume. You don't have to type the entire phrase perfectly. Usually just starting with net vol will start showing results. Make sure you select the built-in net volume indicator from the list that appears. A single click will add it directly to your chart. After you select it, you should immediately see the net volume indicator appear, usually in a separate panel below your main price chart. If it doesn't show up, double check that it's been added by looking at the list of active indicators at the top left of your chart. From there, you can open the settings to adjust colors, style, or scale so it's easier to read. Take a moment to hover your mouse over the indicator, watch how it responds to different price bars, and get a feel for how it moves with the volume on your asset. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and want access to the same tools and layout you're seeing here, check out the link in the video description to sign up. Once you're set up with your account, you can follow these exact same steps to add the net volume indicator to any chart you're analyzing.